Hello, and welcome to my presentation, The 8 Elements Needed to Manufacture Extraordinary Customer Experiences. I'm David Campbell, Vice President of Product Marketing at SugarCRM. Over the past 16 years, Sugar has helped thousands of companies, including global manufacturers, implement CRM solutions. And in that time, we've identified a handful of key contributors to success or failure in implementing CRM that have a profound impact on customer experience. I'm going to walk you through them today. The entire market has undergone a massive transformation in a very short amount of time. Things like artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, the servitization of manufacturing, and the rapid growth of e-commerce, as well as other advancements, have put your competition a mere click, swipe, or voice command away. This means people's overall experiences as customers, defined by ease, convenience, and competitive pricing, are making it harder for manufacturers to please them. If you want to survive and thrive in today's environment, simply producing a great product is no longer enough. And neither is focusing exclusively on dealers, distributors, or retailers. Building relationships with end customers must now be added to the mix. Taking care of existing customers as well as new ones is vital to the health of your business. In fact, 81% of marketers say their companies will soon be competing mostly or completely on the basis of customer experience within 2 years. If that sounds overwhelming, consider this. Research shows that it's far more expensive to build relationships with new customers than it is to earn the loyalty of existing ones, and that customer acquisition costs have increased by nearly 50% in just 5 years. A big reason for this shift: changes to the competitive landscape. Manufacturing companies are now under tremendous pressure from low-cost competitors in China, India, and other regions who are capturing customers based on pricing alone. The temptation is to offer deeper discounts to compete, but then competitors cut their prices even further, which leads manufacturers to reduce operating expenses in support of lower price points, which leads to even bigger discounts from competitors. It's all a downward cycle that ultimately ends to the bottom number. It's a race to zero, and it's a race that's really not worth competing in. There is, thankfully, a better way. Research from Capgemini shows that 80% of customers are actually willing to pay higher prices for better experiences. So to survive and thrive in this market, manufacturers need to think beyond price reduction tactics and focus on creating customer value and increasing trust. But to do that, it's imperative to know your customer's history, to anticipate their needs, and to provide reliable support. Whether it's a self-service website or a quick online chat or a friendly voice on the phone. Now, the key enabling piece of this, most people will agree, is the CRM. With the right CRM, employees will always be seconds away from the information they need to build stronger relationships and inspire customers to repeatedly buy at higher price points. So that leads us to our first essential element for extraordinary customer experience: clear and complete data. From supply chain management to demand forecasting to customer relationships, manufacturers have a lot of data. But typically, it's scattered across different systems, and it's very difficult to access, aggregate, and use. According to Forrester, 8 in 10 data-strong businesses report higher company revenues, and 77% say they've seen increases in customer loyalty and retention. The right CRM will allow you to cut through the clutter and extract insights that matter most to your business. So you need to look for a CRM that makes it easy to get consolidated view of all your data, no matter where it lives, so that every employee can get a complete picture of each customer relationship at any given time. Number 2, an easy-to-use CRM. The right manufacturing CRM makes it easy to access exactly what you need, exactly when you need it. Whether that means getting at-the-glance insights on the latest customer activity, communicating with channel partners, or seeing where things stand with your supply chain. There's a lot of feature bloat in modern business software. And with a CRM, it's important to focus on exactly the feature that you really need. Can you get accurate sales projections at a glance? Or will you have to hunt down data from distributors instead of getting real-time demand forecasting? Do dashboards and workflows make it easy to get a complete view of your customers? Will onboarding your CRM take hours to days, or will it take weeks to months? How intuitive will it be to create custom quotes and to share information with your dealers? These are all key questions, and they really get to the heart of how easy it is to actually use your CRM to deliver the value that you bought it for. Number three, customizations. Remember, as a manufacturer, you deal with a wide variety of business critical communications that must happen. There are supplier logistics to manage, product information and pricing policies to communicate, and customer needs to anticipate, and a whole lot more. If you miss even one of these critical communications in this complex flow of information, many crucial relationships can be instantly put at risk. It's a lot to juggle, which means CRM customizations will be key. To meet the assorted expectations of these various stakeholders, you need a CRM that makes it easy to tailor to each experience. You'll need to tweak underlying tools and workflows to meet the unique characteristics of each of your audiences. Again, the goal is to streamline operations by role and not add more complexity to the system. Number four, flexibility. In addition to customizability, manufacturers need flexibility. The more you can bend a CRM solution to fill the multifaceted needs of your various relationships, the better positioned you'll be to create outstanding experiences, whether for customers, partners, or dealers. What types of functionalities should you factor in? How will you future-proof your CRM for the ever-changing manufacturing landscape? And how much can you automate? The right CRM will not only help you answer those questions, it will also offer options to create processes and data that perfectly match your needs. For example, do you have a lot of complex business processes? The more you can automate those, the better off you'll be. Do you have a lot of sales or marketing channel reps working in the field? Having a strong mobile component is a must in that situation. Is security a primary concern? Do you have a number of different back-end solutions that need to be consolidated and streamlined? Select a CRM that makes it easy to move your data from one deployment option to another. With the industry changing at a rapid pace, you need to be able to make changes quickly and efficiently. Number five, integrations. When it comes to CRM success, integrations are absolutely key. You should never sacrifice your ability to coordinate business processes and data across your various departments and systems. The best CRM solution for manufacturers makes it easy to integrate with back office systems like ERP and MRP, as well as front-end software such as e-commerce platforms and websites. When you're able to consolidate processes through your CRM, the end result is greater efficiency with suppliers and distributors, better experiences for your customers and channel partners, and ultimately higher profits for your business. The right CRM will become your single source of knowledge about customer demand and how to best meet it. Number six, widespread adoption. To realize the promised value from your CRM system, your employees have to use it. But unfortunately, only 47% of companies report a CRM adoption rate of greater than 90%. Until you can achieve close to 80, 90, or 100% adoption, you'll never reach the true potential of your CRM. So before you dive into a new tool, make sure it's the one that will work for everyone. Often CRMs promise managers great capabilities and insights, but they provide very little value and a whole lot of work for actual end employees. And that's a recipe for poor user adoption. Number seven, strong support. In this environment, manufacturers need trusted partners, not just transactional vendors. Too often, CRM companies get so involved in growing their own businesses that they fail to take time to help manufacturers optimize theirs. And that's why it's so important to select a software vendor that stays in close contact with its manufacturing clients. It's not just features and functions that matter, but rather how those features align with your business objectives and your evolving needs. What happens when you hit a roadblock? Where will you turn turn when you need to get a tricky configuration or customization completed quickly? Will your system remain static, or is it frequently updated to reflect the latest industry trends, technology innovations, and buying behaviors? Number 8, a proven track record. Every industry is different, and no CRM is ideal for all of them. More than any other factor, you need a CRM that is designed for the unique needs of manufacturers and is built to support your business. A system might have all the integrations and customizations available in the market today, but without a proven track record of happy clients and success stories among your manufacturing peers, it's impossible to know just how well that CRM will work for your needs. So let's summarize. Not all CRMs are equal. The right ones keeps you close to your customers and accommodates growth and change. Your CRM must ease the path to clear and complete data that everyone at your company can act on. It has to be simple to use and easy to implement instead of being loaded with irrelevant features that create unnecessary cost and complexity. It has to accommodate customizations to meet the specific needs of your manufacturing workforce. It has to be flexible and adaptable without the need for special programming or expensive software development. It needs to offer a wide array of integrations with other business systems like ERP, MRP, and accounting systems, as well as front office systems like e-commerce platforms and websites. It needs to inspire user adoption by being as valuable to end users as it is to managers. And it needs to provide strong support and a steady stream of updates to reflect the latest trends and industry changes. And that wraps up the 8 elements needed to manufacture extraordinary customer experiences. I'd like to thank you for watching. If you're interested in learning more, please visit SugarCRM's virtual booth and download our latest white paper, The Modern Manufacturer's Guide to CRMs. Thank you very much.